Are you there? Hi. How are you guys? My name is Anna and stay tuned to my channel to hear reviews, parent stuff, parenthood, moms, travel, everything that it occurs to me. I will put it on my channel, so stay tuned. Don't leave. See you in a little bit. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and I am giving you reviews of some amazing designer bags. So next up, it's going to be this beautiful Jackie O hobo shoulder bag from Gucci. So this is also a canvas monogram in the brown beige typical Gucci color, and you will have leather trims. This is like a black leather trim with a silver hardware, and you will have this detail in the middle with the also very typical of Gucci, the green and the red stripe. It's a small size. It's a smaller size than the other ones that I have shown. It's a hobo bag, so you can just wear it like this. I like the shape. And I like the detail of the where the hardware. You have to open it like this, and then you will open it, and you will have it's type of like a nylon type of fabric, so it's not as dirty as the other ones. And it's a darker color, and then you'll have like a side pocket with a zipper on it. So this is a very good option. It's not expensive as the other ones. So if you're looking into a designer bag and you don't want to spend a ton, this is a very good option. Also, they have different patterns. So you can find this in all leather and without the stripes. You can find this in like a lighter color. You can find it like a beige with a like gold trim. So you will find this hobo bag in their very different types of fabric and like different combinations. So I went with the very classic look. Classic, but then you will have the green and red, so it will give you like a little pop, but not that much, and I like that. And this is, I like to wear this to like every place. But I don't wear it as much as during the day because I have the babies and the kids. So I wear a lot of I carry a lot of the boys things. So this is a smaller size for me, but I still can wear it with like where I'm going for lunch with my friends or whatever where I'm going. It's very flattering. It's very cute. Also traditional. So you can still wear this in 5 years or 10 years and you'll still look good. So it's a very good option. Also, I'm going to give you some links down here so you can buy this and on other options. Because you will, if you're looking for something with the green and red stripe, they have very different shapes of purses with this. So I'm going to give you links for those as well. Hope you like this video. Like it and comment if you want. Subscribe to my channel, and until next time, see you later. Bye bye.